So, you've just welcomed a fantastic new member to your team. Congratulations. Now, let's make sure they're all set up for payday. This video will walk you through the steps to add employees to QuickBooks Payroll, making the process clear, concise, and hopefully a little less daunting. We'll cover everything from gathering the necessary information to navigating the QuickBooks Payroll interface, ensuring you have your new team member accurately added in no time. Before we dive into the how-to, let's briefly touch upon why getting this right is so important. Accurate payroll ensures compliance with tax laws and regulations, avoiding penalties and legal issues down the line. It also builds trust with your employees. When they know they'll be paid correctly and on time, it fosters a sense of security and professionalism. Furthermore, having all your employee information centralized in QuickBooks Payroll streamlines other HR-related tasks, such as generating reports and managing benefits. All right, let's get down to it. Adding an employee to QuickBooks Payroll involves gathering some key information and then navigating the QuickBooks Payroll interface to input that data. Here's a step-by-step guide to walk you through the process. Step 1. Gather the necessary employee information. Before you even open QuickBooks Payroll, make sure you have all the essential information for your new employee. This typically includes full legal name. Ensure you have their name exactly as it appears on their government-issued ID. Address, their current residential address. Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN. For contractors, this is crucial for tax purposes. Date of birth, needed for various employment-related forms and compliance. Contact information, phone number and email address. Hire date, the official start date of their employment. Pay rate and pay frequency, how much they will be paid, hourly or salary, and how often, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Withholding information. This includes their W-4 form, Employees Withholding Certificate, which dictates their federal income tax withholding. You'll need their marital status, number of allowances, and any additional withholding requests. State withholding information. If applicable, you'll need their state tax withholding information, which may involve a separate state-specific form. Bank account information, for direct deposit if your employee wants direct deposit. You'll need their bank name, account number, and routing number. Having all this information readily available will make the data entry process much smoother and faster. Step 2. Access the Employees section in QuickBooks Payroll. Now let's open up QuickBooks Payroll. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Employees section. This is usually located on the left-hand sidebar or in the main navigation menu, depending on your QuickBooks Online or desktop version. Look for an icon that typically resembles a person or a group of people. Step 3. Initiate the Add Employee process. Within the Employees section, you should find a button or option to Add an Employee or Add Employee. Click on this button to begin the process of entering your new hire's information. Step 4. Enter General Employee Information. You'll now be presented with a series of fields to fill out. Start with the general information, such as their full legal name, address, date of birth, and contact details. Double-check that all the information you enter is accurate to avoid any issues later on. Step 5. Specify employment details. Next, you'll need to enter their employment details. This includes their hire date, their job title, which helps with internal organization and reporting, and their department or location if applicable. Step 6. Set up pay rate and schedule. This is a crucial step. You'll need to specify how your employee will be paid. Select whether they are paid hourly or on a salary basis. If hourly, enter their hourly rate. If salaried, enter their annual salary. Then, choose the pay frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, etc. QuickBooks Payroll will use this information to calculate their paychecks. Step 7. Configure tax withholding. This is where the W-4 form comes into play. Carefully enter the information your employee provided on their W-4, including their marital status, number of allowances, and any additional amount they want withheld. If applicable, you'll also enter their state tax withholding information. Accuracy here is vital for ensuring correct tax deductions. Step 8. Set up direct deposit, optional but recommended. If your employee has opted for direct deposit, this is where you'll enter their bank account information. Make sure you have the correct bank name, routing number, and account number. It's often a good idea to have the employee double-check this information to prevent any errors in payment. Step 9. Add deductions and contributions if applicable. If your company offers benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, or other deductions, you'll need to set these up for the new employee. QuickBooks Payroll allows you to add these deductions and contributions, specifying the amounts or percentages to be withheld from each paycheck. Step 10. Review and save. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident that everything is correct, click the Save or Finish button. Your new employee is now added to QuickBooks Payroll. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.